Udaipur. It is one of the most beautiful cities in India, and it is also known as the city of lakes. There are many exciting places in Udaipur, and one of them is the Vintage and Classic Car Museum. Unveiled for the general public in the year 2000, this museum showcases some of the most exquisite collection of royal antique cars, which makes it a heritage site. As it is a heritage site, there is an entry fee of 250 rupees. The museum is home to many antique cars, which include brands like Rolls-Royce, Cadillac, Mercedes, Morris Garages, Ford, and Vauxhall. Not just cars, this museum also showcases trucks, wagons, and carts. Previously, it used to be Mewar State Motor Garage, and nowadays it serves as a museum with a hotel in its premises.
Okay, so how did you find the cars? Did you like any one of them? They are very old, like they go back to like 1920s or 1930s. So most of them, they are almost 100 years old. Can you imagine? 100 years old. And still they are functional. All of them, they are functional, and the royal families, they still ride them. If you ask my personal favorite, this is the one, Rolls-Royce Phantom. And this is 1934 model. 1934 model Rolls-Royce Phantom. So right now I can't afford this car, but if I could, still it's not for sale. Let's ask my buddies how did they find this museum or car collection.
The first time I saw a Rolls Royce in real, I never saw one before. So it's like seeing luxury in front of you, royalty in front of you.
Royalty in front of. So what about you?
आई लाइक रॉल्स रॉयस बट हाँ मेरे को ज़्यादा कैडिलक पसंद है एंड मे बी मैं थोड़ा एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था कोई मसल कार एकदम अमेरिकन मसल राजा ने खरीदा होगा लेकिन राजा ने वैसा कुछ खरीदा नहीं था लेकिन जो भी पुराने ज़माने का कन्वर्टेबल था मेरा तो एक गाड़ी पे दिल आ गया लेकिन क्या कर सकते हैं
Not for sale. Not for sale. So if you are still, if you have in your mind that if you want to purchase it, it's not for sale. So this is it from the Palace of Udaipur Vintage Classic Car Collection. Thank you for watching RoboPack. Bye bye. Happy traveling.